Hello everyone! This video will show you how to fix broken nails with gel nail extensions in the phone. Before the extension, I prepare the nail plate and file the shape of the nail and the surface with a 150 grit file. I wipe the nails with an alcohol solution and apply a dehydrator and a silicone-free primer. Also, I applied the base in a thin layer with rubbing movements and dried in a UV lamp for 1 minute. Only after that I start attaching foam for nail extensions. I lay out the layer with polygel and give it a shape. A bone for leveling is soaked in an alcohol solution. Pay attention so that the gel does not leak. File it and dry 2 hands for 2 minutes in a UV lamp.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
Remove the foam and wipe the sticky layer with an alcohol solution wipe.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Then I file with a 150 file the fingerboard according to the shape of the nail and the top of the nail plate.